So, Hare Krishna, everyone. Welcome you all. Om Agyantimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guru Namaha. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Shri Gaur Bhaktavinda. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. We are going to speak 15 chapter and this chapter known as a Purushottam Yoga, the yoga of the Supreme Person, the yoga of a Supreme Person. So I'll just brief you about this. This sloka has 20. This chapter has 20 slokas. Bhakti Yoga, chapter number 20. It was also having a 20 slokas only, as considered as a this is a Guhya Gyan, transcendental knowledge, most confidential knowledge. So in 20 total 20 slokas are divided into the 5 parts. So the 5 parts are as follows. First shloka to 6, first 6 जो श्लोक्स है उसको attain liberation by detachment, the upside down banyan tree. We will discuss about how the example it is given in a first verse. And the second is 7 to 11, the section which is known as a bondage and transmigration. We will speak about the bondage and transmigration. 12 and 15, 12 to 15, it known as a how Krishna assists us in our material and our spiritual endeavors. 16 and 18, 16, 17 and 18, the essence of Vedanta Sutra. Essence of Vedanta. This 3 shlokas, also known as, we can say it's a 3 shloki Bhagavad Gita. There is a Chatur shloki Bhagavad Gita is also there, and this is a 15 chapter where 3 shloki Bhagavad Gita means if we understand these 3 shlokas, we can understand whole chapter, whole 18 chapters. So it's very important. So this is the 3 verse 16, 17, 18 we are going to cover in this lecture. We are talking about a Gyan, transcendental knowledge which is given in this chapter. So Gyan, transcendental knowledge, Gyan is also, there is a 4 type of Gyan. Means there is a category of Gyan. See, हम जब कोई भी knowledge लेते हैं ना, so उसका एक important होता है, means ये ज्ञान कितना important है हमारे. So I'll just recite first verse. As yesterday we took a long, because I was reading slokas and then translation only. So in today we will try to cover up maximum, but I will read first verse, and then of course there is a 3 shloki sorry, 3 shloki Bhagavad Gita is there. So we will read that verse also. So first verse is very important and you have heard so many times also. So I'll just recite. Urdhva mulam madha shakha maschittartha prahurvyayam chandasi yasya parani yasya veda sa vedavit. I'll read the translation. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, it is said that there is an imperishable banyan tree that has its root upward and its branches down, and whose leaves are the Vedic hymns, and who knows this tree is a knower of the Vedas. So, as I said, uh, there is a level of jnana, knowledges. So it's called jnana, means एक हम बोल सकते हैं ज्ञान होता है, and then ज्ञान tama, and then ज्ञान tara, and ज्ञान tama tamam. So this is a four stage: Gyan, Gyanatama. So it's a which we said it's a Guhya Gyan. So it's we can say it's a Guhya Tama, Guhya Tara, and Guhya Tamam. So in this chapter, the knowledge which is we are going to get, it's a Guhya Tamam. So it's a most transcendental knowledge. Means ये जो knowledge है जिसको पाके हम बहुत ही we can say it will we will transmigrate. Transmigrate means what? This is a 7 to 11 chapter में आएगा. Transmigration means like we transfer our body with our soul to higherly planet. So in this first 1 to 6, what what Krishna speaks about, see Bhagwan Uvacha. So attain liberation by detachment. So I'll give you the one example. Like as soon as the children's our like as we all are the grahasthas who's there in this forum, and as the summer vacations exam like final exams get finished, so we have that attachment that with the village, that on the same days I have found that everybody are left their city and went to the village, and there the place where village home we like very much there. Because why? Because we have attachment with that home, uh, very fresh, and we can say if mother is there, then we get love from mother, father, close relatives who are there in village. So I'll tell you the recent incident I have just heard in what the situation is happening, and there is one havoc happened in Bandra just now, and the most of the people who is migrate from UP and Bihar, they wanted to, means today our quarantine lockdown is extended, and they were planned for going because today was the last day, and they were planned to go to home. So this is the example how they're excited and anxiety because they are not safe here. So they wanted to go home where their parents, their wife, children are there. So they wanted to be a safe zone. We wanted to be in a safe zone, and they wanted to go there, and they want to be because this is they feel unsafe here. So same way our if I say children's, they feel they are free to run there, play there, and there is a loving people around them. So therefore whenever the children's they like going to the native place. Summer vacation they wanted to go, like as my son, he always wanted to go to Nani's place because there is must have you must he must have getting more love there. That's why he wanted to go there. So it's so dear that our village home, like that is. So so in this chapter 15 chapter, Krishna will speak about the spiritual abode, which is how beautiful it is, and then that is our eternal home where we came from. And in this here also we get the love, but it's a conditioned love. In this material world, in this home, is there is a old age, janma, mrityu, jara, vyadhi. But in spiritual world, there is Janma and Mrityu. There is no Jara and Vyadhi. Everybody's are in a 16 years, always young there. And in the as so there is a Jara and Vyadhi also in this, but there is no, as I just went. So so that's why the attain liberation by detachment. So we can give this chapter a second name is like Om. Like first home is like hotel, and second home is that. So if you go to hotel, any hotel, like you go for the staying any hotel, so they are money minded, like he wants money. So they are not concerned about the health, how they lovingly wanted to serve, how they serve, how we get served in village, our eternal home, our home, uh, with so affection, with love, uh, we get served by father and mother, our relatives and family members. But in this hotel, waiter will serve you with nice, but he has that condition that after eating you will give him a tip. So this is a conditions comes. So in a home, mother is giving genuine love. There is no condition. So so in this hotel, like in this material world, you again and again come and take birth and death. So 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 in this body, the maintainer of this body is a supreme personality, and he's the same person who is situated in there. So in these three verses we'll discuss about Kshara, Akshara, Purushottama. We'll speak about it. So when this verse comes, and we'll do so. I just wanted to share you one thing. uh, uh, we can so I wanted to ask you, uh, this is a screen upside down. This is the first verse. This is a banyan tree where you can see the mirror image of it. But I will discuss about this. Rajbhai, you can exit the screen. I will discuss it. There is a question arise here. Somebody has to question me at the end of this class, that we were part and parcel of Krishna. We will going to speak about it. And if we are a part and parcel of Krishna, and we are from the spiritual abode only, and we are in this material world. And Krishna says, if practicing the bhakti yoga, by practicing your devotion practice, you will come to my abode and you won't come back in this material world. So this is the question arise. We were there, and Krishna says in this chapter, once if somebody comes to my spiritual abode, he never comes back in this material world. So we were there, we were serving Krishna very nicely, but with some desire. We thought we wanted to enjoy. We came in this world, and now we are doing the bhakti, and we may go. If we practice very seriously, then we may go there. And what is a guarantee if we don't fall? Again, we fall down in this. So this is a question arise. But Krishna is saying, no, you will, once you will do the practice properly as per my terms and condition, my rules, what I instructed you in a bhakti yoga and this your chapter, Purushottam yoga, then you will come to me, and you don't. So this is a question we will discuss in the end. So in this there is a very great secret which you have not heard. So before we we go to the that slide, I'll give you the story. I'll tell you the story. So एक queen थी, एक गांव में एक राजा और उसकी queen रहती थी. and they were taking a Miss Queen with the sakhis and all. She was taking a bath, and the ornament was kept at the bank of the pond, and they were playing Jal Krida and all. But after she came back for uh, after playing in pond, she when she came back, and she she saw that the necklace is missing. The necklace is not there. So she went to the king. King के पास गई रानी और बोला कि मेरा नेकलेस गायब हो गया है, मेरा चोरी हो गया है. So Raja said, okay, that's okay. We have a lots of necklace. I'll give you another. Why? So she said, no, no, no. That is a very precious necklace and was gifted by one of my good friend, and I don't want to lose it. You just do something. And Raja said, okay. So I want that necklace. Raja said, okay, I'll do. So you know that drum Raja वो गांव में वो drum वो पहुंचाते थे सारा news. Right now we have a different type of news channels and we are getting it. But at that time, this news was getting spread by वो ढोल का बजाते थे वो ढोल, and then two guys they speak about what is the latest news. So so they said that if somebody will सर्च दिस नेकलेस, कोई ढूंढ के दिखाएगा तो उसको ये राजा ये इनाम देंगे, ये रानी का इतना महंगा हार है, दिस इज फाउंड, दिस इज लॉस्ट इन दिस प्लेस. एंड so one person went there, and by hearing this news, one person there went there, and in that point, in that pond, uh, that he was searching in that pond, that that necklace he was searching in that pond, and he found that necklace. Their necklace is there in the pond. But as soon as he goes inside to take it, that necklace vanished. So so one sage was passing there, and this just the man was repeating and repeating. He as soon as he just jumped in a pond, and he says, "Eh, necklace तो नहीं है." कहाँ गायब हो जाता है? When he stands outside, and and उसको दिखता है उसके अंदर कि नेकलेस है वो झाड़ इसके ऊपर पानी के अंदर. But once he jumped in, उसको दिखता ही नहीं. Vanished. The sages was passing there, and he was seeing very closely what this guy is doing. And then उसके बाद उसको पूछा. But that person said, okay, I'm ready to take your guidance, but without share. I won't share you what I'll get the gift by giving this necklace to our king. Whatever gift I get, I won't share you. If you are going to give me advice free, then I'm going to take you. Otherwise, I'll try my best to get it. So I just said, okay, I'm ready. The man was afraid that, okay, I don't want to share. So that person uh, found that necklace just below the water. So he still tried, and sage that he is laughing and he's seeing what he is acting. So sage showed him, see see on a up there is a tree, and in a one branch that necklace is hanging, and see the same necklace with the beautiful diamonds and everything, and that reflection uh, is there in the water, and the person is seeing that mirror image, that image is seeing that prativim, it's called prativim. He's seeing there, and he's jumping inside the pond to see. So this is a story of our day-to-day life, that what we are hankering here, and we are trying to find this is the story. uh, yeah, we are looking for something, but we are looking for the prativim, like there is a spiritual abode how where there is such chit anand, everything is blissful. So already the necklace was up, and in water it's a pratibimb, reflection. So so foolishly that person was uh, uh, trying to capture that necklace. Said you. So the sage, like I was saying, no? So sages, I always compare the sages. They are very karuna. They are so namra. They are always help the materially diseased people. Like GPS, I gave the example. GPS never tells you that you are. It's a. He always give you the directions. He never tells go to hell because you are not listening to me. सो सेज सॉ दैट, वो जो साधु थे जिसने ने बताया, एंड उसने बताया कि दिस पर्सन इज सो सफरिंग, व्हाई ही इज सफरिंग सो मच. सो ही मेड हिम सिट देयर. सो मैंने आस्क्ड व्हाई. So you are struggling to this so you how you struggle to get this necklace. So in this material world, each and every living entity is struggling for getting happiness in their life. So if we say the mangoes is there, if we consider that tree is a mango tree, it's actually a banyan tree was there. It is stated in this first sloka. You can go through it. If you have must have read, you can go through that purport what Prabhupada said. So if mango is there, so if mango there, and if you go to the pond for eating that mango, it looks like a mango, but it is not there. We cannot satisfy. So if I say in we have different toys in our showcase. So we sometimes we keep the sometimes we keep duplicate fruits also, right, in showcase. So tasty लगता है. So this material reflection of mango is like that only. No taste. One has to eat real mango. So similarly, Krishna explains in this chapter, the spiritual world is a real mango, and material world is like a reflection of this in the water. Upside down tree. Material body is what you have. It's a bad copy of our spiritual body. This body we have. Spiritual body is a pure body. In this body we pass stool, urine. Yesterday we spoke about the nine dwaras. Nine dwaras we spoke. Liquids comes out and all. But in spiritual body, we have the Satchinandan body. This body is made of flesh, bones, and blood and everything, skins. But that is Chinmay Sharir, Satchidananda Swarup. Because we are part and parcel of Krishna, so we have that type of body only. So material world is so it's a reflection, perverted reflection of the spiritual world. It is there. So if we say carpet in घर पे हम लोग carpet लगाते हैं, like wooden flooring करते हैं, तो it's अभी wooden flooring का एक copy आ गया है, that carpet looks like a wooden flooring, carpet लगाते हैं, but it's not a original wooden flooring, but it's so cheaper कि उसको काटेंगे ना तो easily we can cut and we can see the below there is a tile. But if we really would, can we cut with the blade? No, it requires so much effort. So in the material world also, it's like it's a real wood flooring will be, we can consider as a spiritual world, but it's a copy we want. So copy ऐसा ही दिखना चाहिए, अच्छा ही दिखना चाहिए. That interior designer can do for you. It's a cheaper also. So उसके जैसा एक कारपेट लगा दो, फ्लोर कारपेट, प्लास्टिक का वो भी आता है, अच्छे से साफ करने के लिए भी इजी है. So it's cheaper also. So same way. So it's a real mango and plastic mango. I gave you the example. In spiritual beauty, if you say Krishna is so beautiful, Radha Rani, Krishna, all are so beautiful. Are we beautiful? White बाल हो जाते हैं, बाल उड़ जाते हैं. Hmm? After some ages, our skins get wrinkles. We die with the skin ऐसे लटक जाती है हमारी. So we are, so it's, this is not we say it's a we say it's a beautiful body. So there is a three steps of devotion. We say we are leading in suffering here, but with the knowledge, with the we said that there is a three steps we learn in last two chapters also. There is a different types of your devotion practice. Brahma Jyoti I spoke on last session. So there is a zero zero bhakti we say, and I'll explain you in detail. So uh, peace, positive axis, peace and spiritual bliss. There is a three type of. Uh, so if I say it's a flat mouth, in what happens like zero zero, it's a Brahma Jyoti. It's they are shanti. They shanti. They just concentrate on it. So if other end, if you go up like bhakti, there is a Krishna person is there. Spiritual world. What you get? So zero zero, it's a Brahma Jyoti where Gyan requires the yogis and everyone, Jains and Buddhis, they situated in that zero zero, where there is no connection with Krishna, no connection with directly with Krishna. It's we they stuck in a Brahma Jyoti. But uh, but if we say Raspberry Bro, that screen, can you bring the Krishna is there and there is a banyan tree. Uh, if you can hear me, that slide can you bring? No, yeah, this one. So this is like spiritual abode, and this is the where tree. It's a banyan tree. It's a very आपने देखा होगा banyan tree is very we can mix like with the roots and we can say branches and everything. So this is the picture which I found it in Google. It's not so clear, but it's a banyan tree of planetary system. It is mentioned. So we will discuss about this. Keep it this on screen. Which is the great peace zero zero like if we say, or love great, what you peace or love, most people will say peace. If I give you the example of husband and wife, simple example, real practical example, husband and wife have a quarrel, दोनों में झगड़ा हो गया, कोई बड़ी नई बात नहीं है, होते रहता है. ये झगड़ा है ना बहुत बड़ा बन गया, और ये इतना बड़ा बन गया, दोनों फेडअप हो गए झगड़ा करते करते, एंड अब ये नेगेटिव में चला गया कि बेटर नॉट टू टॉक. वो तो आप दूसरी रूम में रह जाओ, मैं अपने रूम में रहता हूँ, और अगर हमें कुछ बात नहीं करनी है, दे आर बोथ आर इन द डिफरेंट. नेक्स्ट डे सुबह मॉर्निंग में वाइफ और हस्बैंड एक दूसरे के साथ चिट शेयर करते हैं. हस्बैंड ब्रिंग सम ग्रोसरीज एंड शी आल्सो सम मेक्स, एंड वो ऐसे वो रिलेशन वैसा. दे आर नॉट टॉकिंग विच अदर, they just leave, they communicate on a chit. So yeah, what do you think, this life is a peaceful? पहले quarrel हो रहा था, झगड़ा हो रहा था, so ये कुछ peace नहीं था. But in this way living, there is a peace because they are living in two different rooms, and they are fulfilling like what वो grocery लाके दे रहा है husband, and she is cooking, and they are just sitting opposite chairs of a dining table, they are eating and just again they are going in. So there is a peace now. They are not fighting now. They are not fighting now. It's called as zero zero. Earlier they were fighting, but now they are not. But after 1 week or 2 weeks, they feel that this life is so boring. So peace is not good defined कि peace नहीं अच्छा. So भूल जाओ ये सब झगड़ा और patch up करो. So then let's have again affection with each other. So there is a positive access. So there is a love. We have all experienced this, that we fight after 2 3 days, 3 4 days, then we realize that okay, there is no use of fighting, let's compromise and patch up, and we have some love affection, that's why we wanted to do. So love between them, it's a positive access. So no quarrel and praise. so so with the Lord, if this is a simple example, like 0 0, like we don't have, we just need a peace, and Lord will stay there, I will be here, and just I will just remember, that's all. So this is not the life we wanted to live in this material world. So we need a love. So loving relation with the God you want, or you wanted to be in a Brahma Jyoti, Shanta, peace, Shanti, or you wanted to be in a material world, negative axis, where you wanted to be. Three, negative, 0 0, and plus, upside down tree. Rajbhai bro, can you bring that upside down tree? That banyan tree reflection. So in this 14 planetary system comes, earlier slide we saw that. So can you find anyone where is the root and what is this in banyan tree? Anybody can found it? It's quite difficult. Where is the root? Which is a main thorn? Where is a root? Which is a branch? So it's quite difficult. You can remove this. So it's a very difficult to figure it out. The same things are spoken by Krishna in this parable. See how the difficult to figure out this tree. Our material life is the same. Krishna compares with this banyan tree, reflection, upside down root. We don't know कि किसका है ये, लाइक क्या है, रूट किधर है, ऊपर है, नीचे है, इसमें ब्रांच कौन सी है, रूट क्या है, पत्ते कौन से है, वी डोंट नो. So old age is miseries, death is miseries, in there is a corona, is that is also miseries. Sometimes our child becomes disobedient, that is also turns into the miseries. So in this material world, miseries are there, we already discussed. So nobody can live in this world permanently. Take the axe of knowledge, cut down the tree. Asankhya sastrena bradena chitra. Go to the bank of the river and do the practice, devotion practice, and come to me. So saintly people give you the sword of knowledge. You cut it. Detachment. So this first chapter comes that attain liberation by detachment. Connect with the God. Always Veda says, while living in this world, you should do your duties as a responsibility, but you should not attach to the duties. This is a temporary place. We have to, this is a journey. If we are going in a train, we book the ticket, right? First class ticket. We first class, they allotted, we got this, our seat, whatever, A1, whatever. You are sitting in the seat. Valid till, that seat is valid till where? If we are going to from Bombay to Delhi. So you have to get down from your seat. You cannot say, we always say that the train is from start to end destination. Till the destination you have a ticket, till that time that seat is yours. But next day the same train will travel from one destination to other destination. This what you say, the seat will be there, but who will be there? Passenger will be the difference. You cannot use that tickets for a whole life. It's a journey, single time, one time use. So this is a body is also like this. It's a one time use. In this, it's in this world there is no beauty at all. This is says. So those who were in beautiful and young, in a we say in a young age, but after when old it turns old, we don't want to see the. So urda mulam adashakam, so beautiful was veda with urdhva mulam, roots are upside down, branches are down. कहाँ मिलेगा ये ट्री ऐसा? This type of tree you will just find on a reflection of the in the water, banks of the any pond. You will get it. With what which we discussed, and there is one uh, second shloka. Adasya mulanyu santani karmanu bandini manushaloke. This is last line I read. So branches of this tree extended downwards and upward, nourished by the tree modes of material nature. This tree is nourished with the three material world's mode of nature. Satoguna, Rajoguna, and Tamoguna, nourished by teen gunas. And tree has an object of senses. This tree also has a roots going down, and these are bound to the fruitive action of human society. न रूपस्ते तथोपलभ्यते ते नातो च नार्जीवन संप्रतिष्ठा अस्थेन मेन सविरुच रूढ़मूला. Ashwatha tree, we have to cut with the weapon of knowledge. Mashanshetra druded chitva tat padam tat parima gitavyam gastin gatan nirvanti bhuyam tameva chadyam purusham prapadye yatah pravruti prasuta purani. One should go or search to the spiritual world. What the two things we have to do? Develop attachment and give up the detachment to the desires. So we have to develop attachment in this shloka, what Krishna explains. In the fifth verse, Krishna says qualifications. निर्माण मोह जित संग दोषा अध्यात्म नित्यान विनित्रुत कामः द्वंद्वैर्व मुक्तः सुख दुःखे संजय गच्छन्त मूढ़ा पदव्यम तथा. Where Krishna is talking about padama vyayam. My dear Arjun, you should have become free from the false prestige, illusion and false association, who understand the eternal, who are done with material lust, who are free from the duality of happiness and distress, and who undelivered know how to understand to the supreme person, attain to the eternal knowledge. So we should go beyond that, the sukha dukkha mana apnan, victory and failures. So this material world has a duality. This is explained in this verse. So some of your friends may challenge you. Life can be the boring. There is a happiness and suffering in this world. like it's always has life should be mixture of everyone, as we discussed in last chapter also. We should have tamagun, rajogun, satogun. We should have. If I say examples, Ramayan, Ramji's example. So Kshatriya should have tamagun for killing. Four varnas are there: Brahman, Kshatriya, Shudra, and Vaishya. So, so Brahman always situated in what? Satogun. Kshatriya, Rajagun and Tamagun. Vaishya, Rajogun. He always Kshatriya and Vaishya, what they think, they have always propensity of controlling power. They wanted to control. That is also comes in uh, Sattva-guna, Rajogun and Tamagun. And Shudra is always in a Tamagun. Shudra. So this is the verse where we have to come out with the duality of this world. We have to come. So in this material world, always we should feel that happiness with the with we require some sukha and dukkha mixture of that. We always like. It cannot be like just if you say it's everything is running smooth. Sometimes we feel अरे प्रभु जी क्या हो रहा है, कुछ तो भी problem है, सब smooth चल रहा है. So we like some hurdles also. Then there is a कुछ मजा है जिंदगी जीने का. So this is what Krishna explains in. So in the sixth, the sloka says, "Nattadda sataye suryo na shashoka na pavaka yadratva na nirvantante taddama parama mama." That supreme abode of my is not illuminated by sun or moon, nor by fire or electricity. Those who reach in is it never returns to this material world. I said no. There's a question what I asked. See, in my abode, Krishna explains what? For in here, for light we require sun. There is a sun. We require this electricity. So the supreme abode of my is not illuminated by the sun or moon, nor by fire or electricity. Those who reach in never returns to this material world. So he gives the reflection. Krishna Krishna shows this. Okay, what is a he gives the reflection. Okay, how the Golok Vrindavan, my spiritual abode, looks like. So there is no difference. Like there will be never required sun for light, and they don't want moon. There is no moon. Fire, because their body is Sachidananda. They are into the happiness. So this is a sixth verse. It's it's a very nice verse. And then the seventh verse comes, very important. We have heard so many times. Mame vansho jiva loka jiva bhuta sanatana. Mama pasthani nindrayani prakruti sthani karshati. So living entity is a conditioned world are my eternal for my fragmental parts. Due to conditioned life, they are struggling every heart with the sixth sense, which includes the mind. So 6 and 7 verse with so we'll discuss some Paramam Mama, that spiritual word of my Dhama, Vrindavan Dham. Dwarka Dham, Rameshwar Dham is abode, a place that Dhamma Paramam, divine. Krishna has a place, he lives eternally in this world. What is so special about it? Natat bhaseti suryate. Sun doesn't require that there is no required of sun because there is everybody's bodies are self-effulgence. There is no need of sun or moon. Krishna explains in this. Anyone who goes there, uh, tadmam param mama datva nirvartante. So this is a sixth verse we have discussed. It's uh, it's 8:26 now, and we will stop here. We'll continue tomorrow. And if anybody have any questions, please please you can ask. And or as instructed, uh, we'll keep a 1 hour class every day. So anybody has any questions regarding this? This is little bit tattvic and little bit too difficult to understand this chapter, but this is all about the banyan tree, how it looks like in a mirror image. So it's the same way the banyan tree which we see in this mirror, which is not the true image. The real image is what the spiritual about. And this in this material world, we never get happiness, as we discussed yesterday also. This is a dukkhalaya ashashvata. Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. In this spiritual world, Krishna will explain ahead. See, in Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. Right? So, Janma, Mrityu ke beech mein Jara and Vyadhi. Right? Jara and Vyadhi means old age and disease. In Krishna's abode, everybody's are young and eternal. There is no birth and death. So, any questions, any comments? Uh, I request all of you to keep joining us 7:30 to 8:30 this class Bhagavad Gita. The next verses is very interesting. Tomorrow we'll be having a very interesting conversation where the Krishna will show you the reflection of spiritual abode, how it looks like. See, for if we say we always go for holidays and all, this time koi jana nahi. So we go and we wanted to see the itinerary very detailed, no, ये होटल का आउटसाइड रूम का लुक कैसा है, कैसे दिखता है. Then we finalize which we decide which destination we wanted to go. So before going that destination, we inquire about it, right? Inquire about it, that what is there, what is the sightseeing, how it looks like, what is the temperature there, how to go there. That is the most important, how to go there. So Krishna will explain in this, and he will say how to go there, how to come to my spiritual world abode, and how my spiritual world looks like. So if somebody sends you, like if in our holiday itinerary, that our agent send you the pictures and the video. Okay, this is where we are planning to take you in this summer vacation and this holiday. So you will say, okay, very nice, very good, and you will prepare for yourself. So in the same way, this chapter is a reflection where Krishna will tell you that how you can come. That is a 7 to 11 verse. We will see tomorrow again how the transmigration happens from this material world to the spiritual world. This souls, how it get transmigrate. And then 16 to 8, 12 to 14, the how Krishna assists us in our material and spiritual endeavor. So he will assist us how we can go and plan ourselves to spiritual abode journey. And then the essence of Bhagavad Gita 16 to 18, and the 19 and 20 to know about Krishna in detail. Krishna will personally reveal that I am the supreme personality of Godhead, and who have understand me. I'll just tell you the 20 verse uh, uh, translation we will just read. This is the most confidential part of the Vedic scriptures since, okay, 19. Whoever know me as the supreme personality of Godhead, without doubting, it is knower to everything. Therefore engages himself in full devotion service to me, O son of Bharata. And the next verse he said, with the Vedic scriptures and sinless one is disclosed now by me. Whoever understand, he will become wise, and his endeavors will know perfection. So this is the very important verses. So anybody has any comments or question? Yeah, the question was I asked uh, to you all that you can ask me that कि हम लोग तो वहीं थे तो यहाँ कैसे आए? हम लोग तो हम तो spiritual world में थे, and then we came in this material world. We fall into this भौतिक जगत में आए हैं. So now again Krishna is saying come back, and then he said you cannot fall down. So ये क्या है? So the answer is that, so you know, the small children, uh, he has some attraction sometimes with the that light, fire. दिए को नजदीक जाते हैं छोटे child, and we have maximum time we have seen that in Diwali times the small children, they just go too close to the diya. Yes, anybody experience this? They can raise the hand in at this forum if somebody have experienced that. Children, small children, they goes towards to the light, to the diya, but once they touch that light, that fire, that diya, and they get burned, then again they never go back, they don't act again, right? So the same way, we have desire, we made a desire in this spiritual world. Okay, I wanted to enjoy like you, Krishna. So Krishna said, okay, you wanted to enjoy, but I am the supreme personality of Godhead here. I am a king of here. This is my abode. This is my palace. So you cannot enjoy, but I have made that pratibimb, this material world I made you. This is almost like a similar. So you can go there and you can enjoy. And we thought, yes, what we are experiencing and we are enjoying, really enjoying. Yes. And with this miseries and sufferings and all the going to three gunas and everything, understanding what we find, if this material world is not my destination and this is not my the permanent abode, I will go back. So Krishna will make us remember, see, you wanted to go back, आपको जाना है वहां. If we have some desire after going there, if we cultivate that desire also, we won't allow us. We'll say no, 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 नहीं जाना है, नहीं जाना है. वो दुखालय है, उधर सब सुख है, क्षणिक है. There is all material happiness are क्षणिक, everything. So I don't want to go back to Krishna. मैं यहीं ठीक हूँ. I don't want to. So this is how the question arises, and this is the answer, that if we, because we have never experienced there when we were there, and we never experienced this, we cannot in this material world we cannot enjoy. Now we are feeling that see, we are into spiritual, we are reading the Bhagavad Gita, so हमें पता चल रहा है कि in this material world there is so much miseries, but there is a millions and billions of people, human beings, they just roaming around, and they don't know कि no, you are not meant for this. ये जन्म मृत्यु के चक्कर में क्यों फंसे हो आप लोग? हमें अपनी जो एक्टिविटी है, मटेरियल एक्टिविटी, we have to do it, but as our duty, we should not indulge doing it. We should not get into it. Just doing it. कुत्ते और क्या बोलते हैं गधों के जैसे हमें काम नहीं करना। हमें काम करना है, हमें अपने शरीर को मेंटेन करने के लिए, हमारे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को को निभाने के लिए। बट हमें क्या करना है, भगवान से अपना संबंध स्थापित करना है, हमें भगवान से प्रेम करना है, भक्ति करके हमें वापस जाना है। वेयर कृष्णा विल टुमारो कवर इट कि व्हाट इज अ प्रोसेस वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इन भक्ति योगा, बट इन दिस कृष्णा सेज in a different way. So all the chapters Krishna opens in this. This is a Gyan Yoga, as I said very first. So Karma Yoga, first he talks about the karmas and all, first 6 chapters. Then Bhakti, he speaks about Bhakti, and this is a Gyan. So in Karma and Gyan, knowledge and your activity, your karmas and Gyan ke beech mein Bhakti hai, so they protect us. So it's required. Karmas also, हर एक आदमी को कुछ ना कुछ कर्म करने पड़ते हैं। विदाउट द कर्म ही कैन नॉट लीव। सो कर्म और ज्ञान के बीच में भक्ति को बहुत ही प्रोटेक्ट करके रखा है। सो वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस प्रॉपर्ली, दिस ज्ञान योगा and Gyan Yoga's all the chapters, and we should try our best to endeavor ourselves. So I request all of you, please chant your rounds properly every day. This is the best time what we got. Now there is a 3 days more we got. 3rd May, today is our Prime Minister declared. So it's almost now again 21 days quarantine we are. So we never know, this may increase or we don't know. But whatever best time what we have, we should utilize it. This is the best moment we can live in our life. And please join our morning session, Japa meditation session 7 to 8, and chant your rounds properly. Thank you. Hare Krishna.